Hey everybody, Kevin here. Today is day 4 of 5 reasons, 5 days of why you want an East Cape Open. Today I think is actually the best day. Pretty emotional for all of us here at the shop. I know I said that on day 1 when I was walking actually in the cockpit, but when you see everything go in it, it really hits home. It's pretty cool when the guys in the shop, we all come together and we all made this happen and everybody's excited, high-fiving and hugging. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, okay? Because I know that, you know, the attention span for everybody is short nowadays when it comes to videos. This will be a little longer. All right, first of all, reason number 4, why you want the East Cape Open. And I hit it on day number 1, but I'm really hit hard right now. The options are endless. So in this situation, the way that this demo boat that we have that we're building for us, we're gonna do one of the finished pitch well, live well, cooler, wet storage, dry storage that does empty out the boat. And then on this side is gonna be the raw storage. Now you can truly see how much room you have for everything from your washdowns to your bilges, your pumps, get to all your fittings, your shutoff valves, everything right there in the center. And then there'll be the tray or bin going in, so you have even more storage, more maximizing the space. Then we have this room back here. This is over 36 inches. Now, this is a lean post live well. This one is at standard, I think it's 50 something gallons. It is on the LeBrock. It is jacked up right now because it's on a shim. We have foam on the floor, so we don't want to hurt the non-skid until we measure everything. But remember, at East Cape and with the Open, everything is configurable. So this right here and height and everything will be adjusted to the customer. This is going to be on a track. Here is the center console. It's cut for us. And I don't want to hurt anything because everything's still wrapped up. We're going to put it right back in storage when we start rigging. But this is the center console with the lounger. This is a huge fish box. This will hinge with the cushion on it. And we have obviously the Kevlar, but you can see inside there how much space is gonna be in there. So you can throw in a whole cobias, tunas, whatever you want. And at the end of the day, this thing is just insane. And then you have, you know, again, this is getting trimmed higher inside the cockpit, but for your fender, dock lines, tackle trays, whatever you want, you still have the storage to get up here, but the configuration on this. So we're gonna show this today with just a few different pieces. So we're gonna put a non-lounger inside this, and we're also gonna put on the pipe version with the LeBrock, so everybody can see how much more room you have. Now we are gonna do seat cushions and backrests across the back. You also have the optional to do a bench, just like you see in some of the offshore boats, all the way across here, and the whole thing is removable. And you can also go to the pipe. So again, you're still getting this room that you have now. It's just shifting forward. And then I say it all the time, man, there's just a ton of room in this thing. I wish this is the layout that's just gonna work for everybody. And also I wanna talk about how deep this is. Now that the cap is on, I'm 5'8", I wish I was skinnier, but 215, 210. But this hits right above my knee and I'm 5'8". So for you guys that are 6'2", 6'3", this is gonna work for you. You're not gonna feel like you're gonna fall out of the boat. You're inside the boat. If you're the family, the configuration. So again, every boat that we've done in the hybrid, you're gonna see all those leaning posts, tops, consoles configurable for this. You're also gonna see the twins, the singles, everything going on with this boat. But again, I just wanna say thank you. This is day 4. We're gonna get ready and take all this stuff out and put the other stuff in it, do some aerials so you guys can see how much room that truly is in here. And when I tell you that 2 or 3 people can be here, 3 people up here, 4 people in the back, that's insane. We love what we do here. Again, I wanna say special thanks to everybody. Day 5 is coming up tomorrow. See you guys. Bye.